Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll guide you on how to upload one or multiple videos to multiple TikTok accounts easily and effectively. First, open the MKT Tik Pro software. Next, select the videos and content you want to upload. Since each post may have different content, it's recommended to prepare multiple captions in advance so the software can automatically assign them appropriately. Then, you can customize the following options: add relevant hashtags, choose background music you like, and enable post-upload interactions to help your videos reach more viewers. Once you've finished configuring all the settings, simply select the TikTok accounts you want to post to, then click Start. The software will instantly upload the videos to all selected accounts, quickly, simultaneously, and efficiently, saving your time. If you're interested and want to try out the software, just click the link in the description below to get detailed support and a live demo. See you in the next video.